The importance of a distraction-free workspace.
Creating a dedicated, clutter-free workspace is essential for staying focused while working from home. Without a clear mental and physical boundary between work and home life, it's easy to lose motivation and productivity. By intentionally designing your workspace, you can minimize distractions, improve concentration, and make your workday more enjoyable and efficient.
Choosing the right location.
Select a spot away from high traffic or noisy areas in your home. Ideally, your workspace should be quiet, well-lit, and separate from leisure zones like the living room or bedroom. If space is limited, even a small corner with a desk and comfortable chair can help you mentally shift into work mode and limit interruptions from household activities.
Decluttering and organizing your desk.
Keep only essential items on your desk to avoid visual distractions. Minimize clutter by storing extra supplies, papers, and devices out of sight. Use organizers, trays, or drawers to give everything a designated place. A clean, tidy workspace can help reduce stress and keep your mind clear, making it easier to stay on task.
Managing digital distractions.
Limit notifications and digital interruptions during your work hours. Silence non-work-related alerts on your phone, close unnecessary browser tabs, and consider using focus tools or website blockers to prevent mindless scrolling. Designate times to check emails and messages so you can concentrate on deep work without constant disruptions.
Establishing boundaries and routines.
Let others in your household know your work schedule and set clear boundaries. Use signals like a closed door or headphones to indicate you're not to be disturbed. Create a consistent routine by starting and ending work at set times, taking scheduled breaks, and stepping away from your workspace when off the clock. This balance helps maintain both focus and well-being.